Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Lennar Mortgage Account Online. First and foremost, to log in, make sure you have your account on Lennar Mortgage. If you do, then to log in, open your preferred web browser. Here I'm using Safari for now. Then in the search box or URL box, you may search for lennarmortgage.com. This will take you to the official website. From the main homepage, click at the login on the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Your Loan Application. On a new tab, you will enter in a login interface. Type in your username in the first tab. Then in the next, type in your correct password. If you forget your password or username, click on Forget Your Password or Username under the Login button. After filling in your correct login credentials, tap on Login. You will then be logged into your Lennar Mortgage account. This is how you can easily log into your Lennar Mortgage account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.